I mean, what do you see next for the channel? What do you want to do? What's in your heart? Turn it up! Hey everybody, most of you know me. I'm Joey at Red Meat Lover. Most of you guys have seen me in front of the camera for years, but this is the man, truly the wizard behind the camera. You want to go ahead and say hi to the people?
Hi, people.
This is Bear Wade, and you have quite an extensive history as a filmmaker. And the reason we're making this video is, like we do everything for you at home, the people. And all joking aside, we've been on this journey for 4 years. We'd like to know, what do you like about what we're doing? Do you like the Meat America program? Do you like the podcast? What don't you like that we're doing? What would you like to see more of? Whether it's proteins, tips, tricks, different methods, right? We really want to hear from you guys at home. Beyond that, what do you see next for the channel? What do you want to do? What's in your heart?
I don't know. I really don't. I want to listen to what you guys are interested in. You know, I hope you guys get to see more of him behind the camera. Usually when we push record, he's got to be a bit more buttoned up, but we're working on pulling that out of you more. We hit some really good milestones as far as getting a couple of videos that really took off, which helped our subscriber base grow quite a bit, and lots more people are now knowing of our channel and getting to see you more. And yeah, it's really neat.
Simply put, many people are learning to turn up the tasty right at home. A lot of people have asked me a couple questions. One, is your name really Joey Brisket? And the answer is no.
Obviously.
The answer is no. Surprised how many people have actually asked me if my name is Joey Brisket. It's not. This is a way to have some kind of fun with the videos.
You were Joey Meatballs when we started.
Well, on the website,
yeah,
but no one was ever calling me Joey in person.
True.
And now I'm just Joey. And so that's been really interesting. Well, the other question a lot of people ask me is this your kitchen? And it's not. It's a set that we use. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
They're in Vegas right now, so we're making use of their home. And my dad's beers. Thanks, Dad. Appreciate that. When you see us outside cooking in the backyard, that is my backyard. Really launched our first video in 2016. I got to give credit to the big guy over here. It was really his idea, you know, put some videos out on YouTube. We had been operating the website prior to that.
Right. Yeah, you had this idea of like buddies cooking around the grill, and you were thinking, what should we, you know, I want to make like a cooking blog because I had such a video background. I wanted to shoot some video with you.
The concept was to really create a resource, you know, where people could go and learn along with us, essentially.
Demystify some of those. You know, I always told the story of like, if you go to the store and you see flank steak for sale, what do I do with it? You know, and this, you could come to the website and learn, you know, about all these different cuts of meat and to learn like where they are on the animal. And yeah, it's been neat.
You know what I want to leave the people with, and I think we'll just call them the people.
The people, right? Because we do it for you, the people.
Our spirit is really one of helping, and that's what this channel has really been about for us. It's about, you know, giving to others and putting stuff out there in the hopes that, hey, if we create value for you guys at home, eventually we'll create value for our brand here and online and offline as we continue to grow. But anything else you want to share with the people?
I don't think so. Thank you so much for tuning in. And we'd love to hear your feedback. So make sure you reach out to us, team@redmeatlover.com, and or put anything in the comments. Hit us up on Instagram or Facebook. We'll go from there.
All right. Well, I close out every video, so why don't you take this one?
And if you like this video, you know the drill. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Tell all your friends. Please tell all your friends. We'll see you next time.
All right. See you guys. That was fun, Brandon.
Yeah, that was fun.